ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా,
విద్యార్థులకందరికీ అనేక పర్యాలను నేను బోధించాను.
Swami taught many a time to students.
రామాయణం రాసినటువంటి
Valmiki composed Ramayana.
రాములను రావణుని రెండిద్దరిని పోల్చుకొని
He compared Rama and Ravana.
మహాజ్ఞాని రాముడు,
Rama is man, one of
గొప్ప విద్యావంతుడు రాముడు,
Rama is highly educated.
రావణుడు మూర్ఖుడు అన్నాడు.
He considered Ravana as fool.
కానీ ఎందుకు అతను మూర్ఖుడు అన్నాడు?
Why did he call himself?
రావణుడు 64 విద్యలు నేర్చాడు.
Ravana has learned all the 64 forms. Ravana has learned all 64 forms of education.
కానీ రామ 26 విద్యలు మాత్రమే నేర్చాడు.
But Rama has learned only 26.
ప్రాకృతమైనటువంటి విద్యలు 26 నేర్చాడు.
The worldly 26 forms of
కానీ
education.
ప్రాకృతమైనటువంటి విద్యలు 64 నేర్చాడు రావణుడు.
But Ravana has learned
ఇంత గొప్ప
64.
విద్యావంతుడైనటువంటి వాడు మూర్ఖుడంతంలో ఉన్నటువంటి అంతరార్థం ఏమిటి?
What is the inner significance by calling him a fool?
అది రాముని యందు 3 గుణములు ప్రధానంగా వచ్చేసాయి.
In Rama there are mainly 3 qualities.
సర్వే లోకహితే రతా, సర్వే జ్ఞానోక సంపన్న, సర్వే సముదితాము గుణైః. ఈ 3 గుణములు రాముని యందు ఉంటున్నాయి.
These 3 qualities are present in Rama.
కానీ ఈ 3 గుణములు రాముని యందు లేదు.
In Ravana all the 3 qualities are missing.
రావణుడు ఇన్ని విద్యలు నేర్చి కూడాను ఇంద్రియానికి వశుడైపోయి దాసుడైపోయినాడు.
Ravana with all his knowledge has become a slave to his
కాబట్టి
senses.
ఇంద్రియములకు దాసుడైనటువంటి వాడు ఎంత విద్యావంతుడైనప్పటికీ వాడు మూర్ఖుడే.
If one is a slave to the senses, however knowledgeable he is a fool.
నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఫూల్, ఫూల్ ఫూల్ ఫూల్.
Not only fool.
ఈ గుణములు సరైనటువంటి గుణములు లేకపోతే ఇంకా ఆ విద్యలు దేనికోసం?
When these qualities are not there, what for?
నాలెడ్జి, బుకిష్ నాలెడ్జ్.
It's all bookish knowledge.
ఈ బుకిష్ నాలెడ్జి వల్ల దేశానికి ఏమీ ఉపయోగం లేదు.
This bookish knowledge will never help the country.
ప్రాక్టికల్ నాలెడ్జ్ లో ప్రవేశించాలి.
Be ready for practical knowledge.
కనుకనే రాములు దేవుడు కావడానికి కారణం ఏమిటి?
What is the reason that made Rama God?
ది క్వాలిటీస్ 6 numbers.
The qualities are 6 in number.
ఫస్ట్
The
క్యారెక్టర్,
The first character, pity.
మూడవది నాన్ వైలెన్స్.
Third, non-violence.
ఫోర్త్ది కంట్రోల్ ఆఫ్ మైండ్.
4, control over the mind.
ఫిఫ్త్ది కంట్రోల్ ఆఫ్ సెన్సెస్.
5th, control of senses.
సిక్స్త్ ఫేమ్.
6th, fame.
ఈ 6 గుణములు ఉండటం చేతనే
Because of all the 6 qualities,
మేడ్ రామ ది మ్యాన్ సుప్రీం అన్నాడు.
that made Rama the man supreme.
చూసారా? ఈ 6 గుణములు ఉండటం చేతనే మానవుడు దేవుడిగా మారిపోయాడు.
With these 6 qualities, man became God.
దీనిని చక్కగా విద్యార్థులు గుర్తించాలి.
Students have to realize clearly.
ఈ 6లో ఒక్కటైనా మనలో ఉంటున్నదా?
Do have at least one among
కానీ
the 6.
ఒక్కటి మాత్రం అందరి యందు కూడా విద్యార్థులు యందు చాలా పరిపూర్ణంగా ఉంటుండాలి.
But one is present in full among all students.
ఏమిటది?
What's that?
వైలెన్స్.
Violence is present among students.
ఇది మానవతా గుణముకు చాలా దూరమైనటువంటిది.
It is not human
ఇది
quality.
మానవునికి లక్షణమే కాదు,
It is not the quality of a
ఇది
human being.
మానవత్వానికి ఒక అవలక్షణం.
It is a bad feature of mankind.
కనుక వైలెన్స్ లో మనం చేరకూడదు.
So we should never be violent.
దేనివల్ల?
Why?
ఈశావాస్యం ఇదం సర్వం వాసుదేవ సర్వమిదం. అందరి యందు ఉండినటువంటి భగవంతుని పైన మన వైలెన్స్ ఎవరిపైన చేద్దాం?
When God is present in everyone, why do you need to be violent?
నీలో ఉన్నటువంటి ఆత్మనే నీ ఎదుటివాడి యందు ఉంటున్నది.
The Atma is in you, is present in the man in
ఎదుటివాడి
front.
ఉన్నటువంటి ఆత్మనే నీలో యందు ఉంటున్నది.
The Atma in the man is as well in
కాబట్టి
you.
నిన్ను నీవు నాశనం చేసుకున్నట్టే, నిన్ను నీవు అపహాసం చేసుకున్నట్టే,
Therefore you are making fun of yourself, you are ruining
నీవు
yourself,
నీవు కీడు చేసుకున్నట్టే.
you are harming your own self.
కానీ ఇది వైలెన్స్ అనేటువంటిది పరులను కూడా హింసింపజేస్తుండాలి.
The violence will harm others too.
కనునే వ్యాసుడు కూడాను అష్టాదశ పురాణేషు వ్యాసస్య వచనద్వయం పరోపకార పుణ్యాయ పాపాయ పరపీడనం, హెల్ప్ ఎవర్ హర్ట్ నెవర్ అన్నాడు.
So Vyasa said the essence of all Puranas, help ever, hurt never is the
నీవు
essence.
హెల్ప్ చేయడానికి చేత కాకుండా పోయినప్పుడు నోరు మూసుకొని పడి ఉంది.
If you can't help, shut your mouth.
నీవు ఇతరులను హర్ట్ చేయకుండా ఉండటమే గొప్ప హెల్ప్.
Not hurting others is a big help.
నీవు ఉపకారం చేయడానికి చేతగానప్పుడు అపకారం చేయవద్దు, అదే గొప్ప ఉపకారం.
If you can't help, don't harm. That's a big help.
साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्।
साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि
तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
मंगलचरणा गजानना मंगलचरणा गजानना मंगलचरणा गजानना चरणा गजानना गजवदना शुभानना वदना शुभानना गजवदना शुभानना ना शुभानना मंगलचरणा गजानना चरणा गजानना विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक गौरीतनया गजानना गौरीतनया गजानना गौरीतनया गजानना गौरीतनया गजानना मंगलचरणा गजानना मंगलचरणा गजानना गजवदना शुभानना वदना शुभानना मंगलचरणा गजानना मंगलचरणा गजानना विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक गौरीतनया गजानना गौरीतनया गजानना गौरीतनया गजानना पीतनया गजानना मंगलचरणा गजानना
रघुपति राघव राजा राम
रघुपति राघव राजा राम
सीत पावन सीताराम
पतित पावन सीताराम
रघुपति राघव राजा राम
रघुपति राघव राजा राम
पतित पावन सीताराम
पतित पावन सीताराम
राम राम जय राजा राम
राम राम जय
सीताराम
राम राम जय साई
रघुपति राघव राजा राम
रघुपति पतित पावन सीता
रघुपति राघव राजा राम
रघुपति राघव राजा राम
पतित पावन सीताराम
पतित पावन सीताराम
राम राम जय राजा राम
राम राम जय सीता
राम राम जय
राम राम जय साई
राम राम जय राजा राम
राम राम जय सीताराम बोलो राम राम जय साई राम बोलो राम राम जय साई राम पतित पावन सीताराम
दशरथ नंदन रामा दया सागरा रामा
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 रघुकुल तिलका रामा सत्य साई श्री परंदामा
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 दशरथ नंदन रामा दया सागरा रामा
दशरथ नंदन रामा दया सागरा रामा
अहल्योदारक रामा पाप विमोचन रामा
अहल्योदारक रामा शाप विमोचन रामा
अहल्योदारक रामा शाप विमोचन रामा
अहल्योदारक रामा शाप विमोचन रामा
शिरडिपुरीशा रामा पुट्टपर्तिपुरी परंदामा
शिरडिपुरीशा रामा पुट्टपर्तिपुरी परंदामा
शिरडिपुरीशा रामा पुट्टपर्तिपुरी परंदामा
शिरडिपुरीशा रामा पुट्टपर्तिपुरी परंदामा
दशरथ नंदन रामा दया सागरा रामा
दशरथ नंदन रामा दया सागरा रामा
रघुकुल तिलका रामा सत्य साई श्री परंदामा
रघुकुल तिलका रामा सत्य साई श्री परंदामा
दशरथ नंदन रामा दया सागरा रामा
दशरथ नंदन रामा दया सागरा रामा
अहल्योदारक रामा पाप विमोचन रामा
अहल्योदारक रामा शाप विमोचन रामा
शिरडिपुरीशा रामा पुट्टपर्तिपुरी परंदामा
शिरडिपुरीशा रामा पुट्टपर्तिपुरी परंदामा
शिरडिपुरीशा रामा पुट्टपर्तिपुरी परंदामा
शिरडिपुरीशा रामा पुट्टपर्तिपुरी परंदामा
दशरथ नंदन रामा दया सागरा रामा
आजानुबाहुम् अरविन्दनेत्रम्
आजानुबाहुम् अरविन्दनेत्रम्
आजानुबाहुम् अरविन्दनेत्रम्
आजानुबाहुम् अरविन्दनेत्रम्
आत्माभिरामं मनसा स्मरामि
आत्माभिरामं मनसा स्मरामि
आत्माभिरामं मनसा स्मरामि
आत्माभिरामं मनसा स्मरामि
प्रभु साई रामं 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 मनसा स्मरामि
भूलोक वैकुंठ पर्तिनिवासं
भूलोक वैकुंठ पर्तिनिवासम्
भूलोक वैकुंठ प्रतिनिवासं
भूलोक वैकुण्ठपर्तिनिवासम्
प्रभु साई रामं मनसा स्मरामि
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 आजानुबाहुम् अरविन्दनेत्रम्
आजानुबाहुम् अरविन्दनेत्रम्
आत्माभिरामं मनसा स्मरामि
आत्माभिरामं मनसा स्मरामि
प्रभु साई रामं मनसा स्मरामि
प्रभु साई रामं मनसा स्मरामि
भूलोक वैकुंठ प्रतिनिवासं
भूलोक वैकुण्ठपर्तिनिवासम्
प्रभु साई रामं मनसा स्मरामि
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 आजानुबाहुम् अरविन्दनेत्रम्
आत्मा रामानन्दरमण
आत्मा रामानन्दरमण
आत्मा रामानन्दरमण
आत्मा रामानन्दरमण
अच्युत केशव हरिनारायण
अच्युत केशव हरिनारायण
अच्युत केशव हरिनारायण
अच्युत केशव हरिनारायण
भवभयहरण वन्दित चरण
भवभयहरणा वन्दित चरणा
भवभयहरण वन्दित चरण
भवभयहरणा वन्दित चरणा
रघुकुलभूषण राजीवलोचन
रघुकुलभूषण राजीवलोचन
रघुकुलभूषण राजीवनयन
रघुकुलभूषण राजीवनयन
आदिनारायण अनंत शयन
आदिनारायण अनंत शयन
आदिनारायण अनंत शयन
आदिनारायण अनंत शयन
सच्चिदानंद साई नारायण
सच्चिदानंद साई नारायण
सच्चिदानंद साई नारायण
सच्चिदानंद साई नारायण
आत्मा रामानंद रमण
आत्मा रामानंद रमण
अच्युत केशव हरिनारायण
अच्युत केशव हरिनारायण
भवभयहरण वन्दित चरण
भवभयहरणा वन्दित चरणा
रघुकुलभूषण राजीवनयन
रघुकुलभूषण राजीवनयन
आदिनारायण अनंत शयन
आदिनारायण अनंत शयना
सच्चिदानंद साई नारायण
चिदानंद साई नारायण
आत्मा राम आनंद रमण
रामं भजो रघुरामं भजो
रामं भजो रघुरामं भजो
रामं भजो रघुरामं भजो
रामं भजो रघुरामं भजो
रघुकुलतिलकं रामं भजो
रघुकुलतिलकं रामं भजो
रघुकुलतिलकं रामं भजो
रघुकुलतिलकं रामं भजो
रामं भजो रघुरामं भजो
रामं भजो रघुरामं भजो
दशरथ नंदन रामं भजो
दशरथ नंदन रामं भजो
दशरथ नंदन रामं भजो
दशरथ नंदन रामं भजो
दशमुखमर्दन रामं भजो
दशमुखमर्दन रामं भजो
दशमुखमर्दन रामं भजो
दशमुखमर्दन रामं भजो
रामं भजो रघुरामं भजो
रामं भजो रघुरामं भजो
रघुकुलतिलकं रामं भजो
रघुकुलतिलकं रामं भजो
रामं भजो रघुरामं भजो
रामं भजो रघुरामं भजो
दशरथ नंदन रामं भजो
दशरथ नंदन रामं भजो
दशमुखमर्दन रामं भजो
दशमुखमर्दन रामं भजो
दशमुखमर्दन रामं भजो
रामं भजो रघुरामं भजो कौसल्यात्मज रामचरण वैदेही प्रिय रामचरण मारुति सेवित रामचरण भरतार्चित श्री रामचरण अहल्योदारक रामचरण प्रशांति निकेतन रामचरण रामचरण सदा भजो साई रामचरण सदा भजो कौसल्यात्मज रामचरण प्रेमित रामचरण भरतार्चित श्री रामचरण अहल्योदारक रामचरण प्रशांति निकेतन रामचरण रामचरण सदा भजो साई रामचरण सदा भजो कौसल्यात्मज रामचरण
अयोध्यावासी राम 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 दशरथ नंदन राम।
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 पतित पावन जानकी जीवन सीता मोहन 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 राम।
अयोध्यावासी राम 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 दशरथ नंदन 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 राम।
पतित पावन जानकी जीवन सीता मोहन 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 राम।
अयोध्यावासी राम 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 दशरथ नंदन राम।
अयोध्यावासी राम 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 दशरथ नंदन राम।
पतित पावन जानकी जीवन सीता मोहन राम।
पतित पावन जानकी जीवन सीता मोहन राम।
अयोध्यावासी राम 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 दशरथ नंदन राम।
अयोध्यावासी राम 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 दशरथ नंदन राम।
पतित पावन जानकी जीवन सीता मोहन 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 राम।
अयोध्यावासी राम 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 दशरथ नंदन राम। जय जय राम जानकी रामा
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 रघुकुल भूषण राजा रामा
रघुकुल भूषण राजा रामा
रघुकुल भूषण राजा रामा
रघुकुल भूषण राजा रामा
जय जय राम जानकी रामा
जय जय राम जानकी रामा
तापसरं नामा
तापस रंजन तारक नामा
तापसरं तारक नामा
तापस रंजन तारक नामा
दानव भंजन कोदंड रामा
दानव भंजन कोदंड रामा
दानव भंजन कोदंड रामा
दानव भंजन कोदंड रामा
जय जय राम जानकी रामा
जय जय राम जानकी रामा
रघुकुल भूषण राजा रामा
रघुकुल भूषण राजा रामा
जय जय राम जानकी रामा
जय जय राम जानकी रामा
तापसरंजन तारक नामा
तापस रंजन तारक नामा
दानव भंजन कोदंड रामा
दानव भंजन कोदंड रामा
दानव भंजन कोदंड रामा
दानव भंजन कोदंड रामा
जय जय राम जानकी रामा
रामचंद्र रघुवीर रामचंद्र रणधीर रामचंद्र रघुवीर रामचंद्र रणधीर
पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं 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 जनन मरण भय शोक विदूरं 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 सकल शास्त्र निगमागम सारं सकल शास्त्र निगमागम सारं सकल शास्त्र निगमागम सारं सकल शास्त्र निगमागम सारं पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं
सत् श्री नारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तु सिद्ध बुद्ध तु स्कंद विनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्ममस्तु यः शक्ति तु येषु पिता प्रभुतु रुद्र विष्णु तु रामकृष्ण तु रहीम ताओ तु रहीम ताओ तु वासुदेव गो विश्वरूप तु चिदानंद हरितु अद्वितीय तु अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु साई आत्मलिंग शिव तु असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ओम शांति शांति Shantihi.
Sairam, one and all. I wanted to take this opportunity to introduce to some of us, because some of us are already aware, that April 24th, this Saturday, marks the Sri Satya Sai Aradhana Mahotsavam. Now, what is the Sri Satya Sai Aradhana Mahotsavam? At the most physical level, it was this day on 2011 that Swami chose to leave his physical form. It was a day of course, immense emotion, immense feelings amongst all the devotees of Bhagwan and all his admirers. But there are also many profound lessons from them. I want to recount an experience I had in the year 2006, 5 years prior to Bhagwan's Mahasamadhi. There was a program by the 11th standard students, and during the skit, they were performing one small scene from Shirdi Baba's life history. And there's a particular scene in which Shirdi Baba leaves his body and goes into a state of samadhi for 3 days. And he informs one of his disciples that he is going to return in 3 days. And that disciple had to make sure that nobody touches Baba's body for those 3 days. And after 3 days, Baba comes back to his body and speaks to everyone. So this scene was going on in the play. That time that was the first year of the opportunity that I had of attending to Swami. And there was one more student along with me. Swami asked us to take him inside the interview room when that scene was going on. So when we went into the interview room, typically if Swami chooses to go inside the interview room during a program, that means that Swami is kind of arranging for the gifts for all the participants, and especially if people come from other states and other countries and all that, Swami would ask us to bring various saris, safari suits, dhotis and all that. He would select from that, and that would be distributed to all the participants. But this was a student play, and typically there will be no distribution after the skit. So wondering why Swami was coming inside, but we were like, okay, in case Swami wanted, we had kept shirt pants ready, safaris ready and all that in case Swami tells to distribute. But Swami went inside the interview room and sat silently for some time. And the two of us were also sitting and enjoying this opportunity of being silent in front of Swami. Suddenly Swami started speaking. Then he said, Swami used to call Shirdi Baba as Musalavadu, which in Telugu means old man, which was funny because at that time Swami was physically older than the Shirdi Baba was. Shirdi Baba left his body at the age of 80, and Swami was beyond 80 at this time. But Swami used to call him as Musalavadu. So Swami said, see, like this Musalavadu, I will also leave my body one day pretty soon. But unlike him, I will not come back in 3 days. Then the place where Swami Samadhi is there right now, he told us about that place where right now Ganesha is there, no, in front of that. There my Samadhi will come. And just like that old man, I will also communicate to all the devotees from Samadhi. So as soon as Swami said that, obviously we were like, Swami, what are you talking about? Why are you talking such inauspicious things? You are a Paripurna avatar. You should be there at least for 100 years. Do not talk about such things. Swami smiled at us. He was happy about our affection and all that, but he did not correct himself, or he did not make any changes to what he said. And after that, he told us to go back to the hall, and we went back and the program proceeded. And this was not the only instance. Swami had kind of given hints to many people about the fact that this is going to happen, and this is where this place is going to come. But the interesting takeaway for me in this was this fact, that the assurance that Bhagwan gave, that he will continue to communicate to his devotees through Samadhi. Now, this Samadhi has multiple meanings. One is, of course, the physical samadhi of Bhagwan in Prashanti Nilayam, and to this day, many people continue to experience his communication. But that is, of course, not limited to Prashanti Nilayam, because samadhi is also a state of mind. It is a state in which we are undisturbed by any of our senses, by any of our vices, by any of our thoughts. So Swami says that in the presence of absolute silence, we can hear the voice of God. So that is also a state of samadhi. Samadhi is also all pervasiveness. I remember very often about, many people talk about, spreading Bhagwan's message and spreading Bhagwan's glory. But honestly, Swami's mission always happens despite us, not due to us. In fact, recently when we went to, invited for one of the talks in Raleigh, there one Iranian lady came and knocked on the door of Ranjini's uncle, with whom I was staying that time. And she said that such and such person told me that to come here because a satsang is going to happen the next day. So my uncle said, of course, please come inside. And so we started talking to her about how she came to Swami. So she responded saying that, no, we did not know about Swami. One day Swami walked into her house in Iran. And he introduced, and he kind of started speaking to us, and so somebody in their house was not well, and Swami had gone and consoled them and gave them strength. And after that, she found out who this person was, and she knew who Swami is. So it is like, and Swami says that all his miracles are his visiting cards. That's all that it is. So Swami continues to spread his visiting cards to everyone, and he continues to communicate to everyone. But for us to listen to him and for us to continue to communicate to him, to get to the state of samadhi, to get this to the state of not being influenced by all the external stimuli, that is very important. And to that, Swami says, choose any one thorn. So because all the vasanas which we have, all the distractions which we have are all like various thorns which is there in our body. But to remove that, we still need one thorn to remove everything else. But finally, that thorn needs to be discarded too. And that is the sadhana which Swami prescribes that we all undertake. So it could be anything. This bhajans itself is a great sadhana. In fact, Swami says that Namasmarana is the highest sadhana which you can do in Kali Yuga. So if you are able to completely focus, concentrate, and do these bhajans on a regular basis, that is itself a great sadhana. But not everybody can connect through bhajans. So some require to do contemplation, to meditate. Some others require to do service. So Bhagavan has given all these opportunities for us. And shortly after this, Chidambaram sir will also going to talk about some of the service opportunities which we have and as a center which we can get into. So I just want to share these thoughts and this understanding of this a very significant day which is coming on Saturday. Of course, it is not, at least I have not yet reached the maturity to call it a day of celebration, but it is a day of commemoration. It is a day of gratitude for the fact that God had walked amidst us and we got the opportunity to be in the planet at the same time when he was there, to breathe the same air that he breathed. And that is a sense of gratitude which I cherish a lot and which we all cherish. And I just felt that this is a day which needed to be talked about. So I just took a few moments to talk about it. If any of you want to share any feelings about this day, Ragesh Shankal, for instance, if any of you want to speak a few words, please feel free and share what you're thinking of right now. Saira.
Such a beautiful experience you have narrated, Harish, and I don't have anything after that. Really very wonderful experience and very wonderful thoughts Swami has given through you. So I'm enjoying. Thank you.
Sairam sir. Anand sir, you want to talk something about the experience you have been going through in the last crash course you have been going through in the last few months?
Oh, it's actually more than a year.
Yeah.
I had Bhagwan in my dream in December 2019, and I didn't, just like that visiting card you talked about. And within 10 days of that, Harish comes to my house. Harish and Sai Ranjani come to my house, and we had a bhajan. And within like 10 days of that, he invited me to the first Bhagwan bhajan at his house. And that's when I connected why he came in my dream. And, like Harish explained to me that he doesn't come into the dream without his will. And it was meant that I had to come into his fold. One thing led to another, and I found out about this bhajan, I think only a few weeks after we had started it, like in March of something, or like February or March of last year. So it's been more than a year of doing bhajans. I haven't missed, by his grace, a single week, only his grace. And I've learned, actually one night I woke up and just realized, love is everything. And then love also all completely resonates. So it's a journey. I feel blessed to be following on the path. Of course, nowhere close to, um, but I'm very happy that I'm part of this. He's made me part of this. So I, I feel kind of jealous. Yes, you were nice enough to say we all breathe the same air, but you were so close, and like I didn't even realize when he was alive. I wish I had I've seen him once from very far in Sundaram, I think, but I haven't. I wish I had been in his fold for several years and not like in 2000, as late as 2019. But looks like everybody has a particular day and time when he gets called, right? They get called. So it's a beautiful journey. Yeah, thank you for allowing me the opportunity to talk about it. Sairam.
Anyone else? All right. Chidam sir, you want to talk about the opportunities which we have?
Yeah, sure. Loving Sairam to all. What a profound experience you shared, Brother Harish. I want to extend a couple of more avenues for the sadhana. As you mentioned, it brings us closer to Swami. Brother Harish has already shared the details for the 2021 virtual Parthi pilgrimage. It's 35 days of spiritual discipline and sadhana. I would encourage you to register and choose to walk, run, or bike, and account it towards the collective virtual pilgrimage to Parthi. Once registered, you will be assigned to a group, and collectively you will be achieving daily goals that will be set. Last day to register is today. And you can also encourage your children to chant for these 35 days. The pilgrimage starts on Saturday, 24th. And if you have any questions, you can please let me or Brother Harish know about it. Next slide, please. Brother Harish also mentioned about Swami's miracles as visiting cards, right? But I believe this is also a wonderful venue where he is extending his miracle and love and care. With blessings of Swami, we are planning to launch the Sai Cares program in the Region 10 on May 6th. That also happens to be Ishwarama Day. The vision of the Sai Cares is to help the Sai community by harnessing collective strength of the Sai family. For example, medical guidance, emotional support, elder care, technical help, and legal support. It is free of charge and completely confidential. This is also a wonderful opportunity to volunteer and share the goodwill to be of help to others. Well, I'll be sharing more details on WhatsApp later, but I just wanted to give you a quick overview of this program that's going to be upcoming. Thank you, Sai Ram.
जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक बलि महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपति स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपति आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका पावनमाधवा ओम जय जगदीश हरे पिता गुरुदैवము మరి అంతయు నీవే స్వామి మరి అంతయు నీవే నాద బ్రహ్మ జగన్నాథ నాద బ్రహ్మ జగన్నాథ నాగేంద్ర శయన ఓం జయ జగదీశ హరే ఓంకార రూప ఓజస్వి సాయి महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थ इष्टार्थ मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं idamaśrayami. Baba vibhutim idamaśrayami. Baba vibhutim idamaśrayami. Baba vibhutim
Sai Ram.
Sai Ram.
Sai Ram.
Saram, Purnima, I didn't notice you before. You have anything to share?
Sai Ram. Again?
Saram,
Sai
Purnima, any news?
Yeah, Sai Ram. So yesterday afternoon 3 p.m. I delivered a girl baby, Sai Ram.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Purnima.
Thank you, Sai Ram.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
How
Thank you,
is,
sir.
how is Sai Ranjani doing?
I'm doing very good, Uncle. Sai Ram.
So you all are invited. We are having a Mother's Day Ishwaramba program on 8th of May.
Oh, so nice.
I will send you the details. And if Bentonville kids want to put up something like a shloka recitation or a bhajan, we are going to have some bhajans. If somebody wants to make a small speech, they are welcome to do that.
Sure, Uncle. Yeah.
We are going to put up a play on Prahlada, first time on the web. I don't know how it goes on virtual, but we are trying.
It'll be amazing, Uncle. Very nice.
You all are gladly invited. I'll send you the details.
Sure, Uncle. Sure.
And if your
Surely
kids
will.
or any of the kids from Bentonville want to, come up with something,
I think
welcome.
we want for bhajans, Uncle. We can surely plan bhajans for them.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, I'll discuss with the children and I'll surely, I'll come back to you again.
Sure.
Sai Ram, Uncle.
Okay, Sai Ram.
Sai Ram.
Sai Ram.
Sai Ram.
Oh, so nice.
Sai Ram to you too.
Oh, thank you, Sai Ram.
Oh, so
What? Yeah. Wait, what?